Right on. What's up? Okay, cool. So I got a bit of a new setup thing here. It should be a little more conducive for like the chat and everything because this is kind of where the secondary screen is for my stream managing and all that. Plus, I can kind of it's a little more conducive to see the chat going on. Uh, as well as kind of giving the overall effect that I am actually looking at you when we talk. You know what I mean? So hopefully this works a little bit better. Excuse me. Sorry, just had dinner. Hopefully this works a little bit better than kind of what we had going on before. But let's kind of get this situated. Cool. And we will get back to. There we go. There. And we will go back to the sailing with the dude. So Doodknight actually should be joining us fairly soonish. So let's go ahead and bring that on. Okay.
Looks like I'm live here with Manic.
All right, Marauders, right? Marauders and the Crooked Mass, I believe.
If we're where I think we are, we should be close to the Isle of Last Words.
Oh, yeah, right there. So we're going to hang east. So you'll need to hook a left.
Alright, turning port.
And it'll be,
Gonna need to
oh,
raise
yes,
sails some.
you're right. Oop. This is going to be so rough.
Hey, this is how we learn.
By crashing and burning. Just a
Effectively.
little bit.
Alright. Gonna need to drop anchor soon.
Ooh, okay, we got some skellies.
Oh shit, we need
So,
to drop anchor
yeah,
now.
right
That
now.
skelly has a powder keg.
And kablooey. Wow, really? I'm either a very good shot or very poor, since I was aiming for that, yes. Alright, so. Where's my map? There we go.
Coral message in a bottle here.
Cool. So, if we're on this northern tip, oh, fish. If we're on this northern tip, then we really just need to hug the inner here, this inner lip. And it should be about right. Ooh, we're not on the inner lip,
Snakes
are
on
we?
the island. Care.
Nope, we gotta go north. Or, yeah, we gotta hug it north. I'll take that, and you sound like you're dead. Okay, bye. So yes, this is the southern tip of everything.
Well,
And
it's all good, Jaybird.
we are...
I just got to set up the PlayStation again before I can do that, and I haven't been able to do that in this location yet.
Cool. There's a rock. What? Maybe we're not at the right island.
Which island is this? No, this is the Isle of Last Words.
Okay.
One that looks like it's a bird. Yeah, we're at the right island.
Huh. Then this is much smaller than I thought.
There's two X's here.
Yes. So it should be about right here somewhere. Where are my tools?
There should be one right here. I think.
Grubs. Okay. I mean, I'll take that. Why not? No, though, Captain. I don't need that. Give me the... Okay,
No.
6. Where? Man, there are snakes all up in this mug.
Yeah.
So there's a rock.
All right, man. I appreciate it.
Oh.
Hold on. It's somewhere up here of the rock, but it's not supposed to be. This is the chin. We want to be just above the neck.
So this one?
Yeah, it's somewhere over here.
Nice.
Found it. You mind dealing with the,
The snake right there?
yeah.
Sure, why not? Hey, buddy. Go to sleep.
It's not a legendary golden shovel. No
Give
more
me your meats.
legendary than one in Animal Crossing. How did I even get it? Was it a gold hoarder or... I forget how I got it.
Somewhere
I've been
around this.
playing this game too long.
Oh,
Like,
excuse
it's been
you.
forever since I've played, but I've played it a long time.
Oh, okay. So not here. Up here. Keep finding worms. Leeches.
Let's see. This one's up by the head. Rock in the water. Yeah, you're in the right area.
There's something around here.
There you go. The
Ooh.
fuck?
Rumgilligan.
Stupid skeleton.
Cool. Alright, what if I... Oh, I can't. Alright. Then I'm heading to... What's that? Oh, you. Don't be scared, little cap. It's just gunfire. You'll get used to it.
You needed the golden poop scoop once.
It's very helpful. The dookie
I
just
don't know why
slides
it
right
has to
off.
be golden.
It just slides right off. Alright, you sit in the corner there, because we don't want you shining in front of people who don't need to know. Alright, so I believe that
That
is
should
the
deal with
end
the
of
Isle of
that
Last
one.
Whispers.
And this is the Marauders. The Marauders.
The breath of the sea calls from beneath the waves. Seek it at the shrine of ocean's fortune. Let the sea guide you. Do we want to hit that, or do we want to go ahead and do the other one first?
We might as well grab the map that the quest that we picked up. So we'll do that one.
Yeah, Smugglers, Marauders Arch.
Yeah, Marauders Arch. Okay, so we need to head
North, northeast.
Yep. And we're not too far. Right on.
This snake is almost done. You want me to help you raise anchor, and then I'll take this snake off?
Sure.
You might be a little burnt, but...
What the heck? There we go.
I mean, I guess a golden poop scoop would be worth something showing off, I guess. That's something that a rich person would do, that's for sure.
Bye, little cabin. Oh, there you are, little cabin. I mean, yeah, you were totally coming the whole time.
Mm. And now to cook another piece.
North, northeast. Na, 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 na,
I'm
na.
lagging.
We're gonna
Oh
be
boy.
here for a minute.
For a minute there, my game was saying that I was legitimately like we were diving.
We're underwater.
It was about to be.
All right. Full of the unfurl and wind in the sails. What? Wind in the sails. Cool. Run down real
We're
quick.
going as fast as she can.
I think you just read. What's it called? Restreamed.
Oh shit. It must have DC'd and then reconnected.
Oh, that's probably what that was. Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Well, if nothing else.
We're at Sunken Grove. We just need to keep going. We're gonna pass really closely one more island. We're now level 2. Why do I only have 2? Oh fuck. I'll patch it up.
Ah!
This is what happens when I don't pay attention.
I was reading some
You're
of these
good.
messages here.
Just scratched her belly a little bit. That's all.
She was itchy. What do you want? All right. Na 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 na. Double back. Na 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 na. Okay, yeah, we're gonna hook real close to this baby here, and come
Oh
on
shit.
back. Oh, okay. Keep turning left
Yep.
to the ports.
I'll repair it.
We're going face first. Yeah, learning curve.
Yep. It's okay. She just needs her belly scratched. That's all.
We're gonna sail right by a what's it called too? A ghost ship. So
We'll be fine.
yeah. Shark fin camp. Ooh ha ha.
All right.
Okay.
We're going to need to head
Back to yeah
northeast.
northeast.
We're doing good though.
Course correction. And there we go. These are all loaded. Oh, they're not. Okay. Loading cannons.
All right. We be getting close. Should be able to see the island soon.
All right.
Oh,
Draw the
we do
sail
see
up a
the
little
island.
bit.
That's it, off to our starboard.
Oop, wrong one. Draw the sails. Do do do. We'll go for a coast here. Cool. All right. I will turn us in here,
Yep, I'll manage sail.
and we'll drop that anchor.
All right.
All right.
We don't want to be in the middle of
So,
that.
no, we don't. We
If I
actually want
remember
to be.
correctly, there's two cannons that fire at us.
Okay. Ooh, look at you. Hey, buddy. So it's actually on the back end of this, too. So we'll circle
Yep.
it. We'll circle it
Go
right now.
ahead and cut in close. We can cut off over to the beach with
Ooh.
that rowboat.
Yeah, we'll definitely take that, too.
All right, we can just coast in from here.
Cool. All right.
There we go. We can actually grab that rowboat too. We don't want to pull too far that way, but you're right. Pulling a little bit might help us.
Just to kind of edge our way in here.
And we don't want to pull too hard in one thing because it'll pull the nose.
Right. Oh,
But I have a solution for that.
let go. There you go. Hit it again. Cool. All right, so it looks like
Close enough now.
it'll be on the opposite end. So we'll go through that opening there.
Yep.
And should be straight on till morning.
All right, changing my weapons real quick.
I'm gonna push this in. Oops, to here, and drown a little bit. Just get me in the boat. Thank you. What in
I brought
tarnation?
some meat.
Oops. You can still eat it. It's alright.
I can.
What if I want to row the rope? There you go. Use the oars. There they are. Alright. And do this. Come on. About face. About face.
I wish these little quests that were added at the end. Griffin. Yep. Yep.
Come on.
When you can, over here,
Wrong button. There we go.
I'll explain the context behind this thing when you get here.
Griffin? What is he eating? A banana?
Yep.
Inspect? Pirate Griffin is famed for his love of whole bananas, skin and all, which really caught on among the pirates. Fortunately, he crunched his last on this very spot. Death by banana. Well, that's a
If I
whole lot of
remember
fun.
correctly, this guy was based off of one of the devs who had a strange habit of eating the bananas whole, yes, but eating them from the stem.
Nice. Hello, little...
How did I miss you twice?
Because he's a turd. Oh, man. Uh-oh. It's crunchy. And bones. Crunchy bones. Fabulous.
Oh, it's Mr. Crab.
Ow. Hey, man. Oh, there you are. There you are. Time to... Oop, nope. Don't want to eat that. Eat the banana. Oh, I'm out of bullets.
Oh.
Alright. Let's see if I can find a granada.
Yep. He's dead.
Oh, cool. Other bones?
And he dropped a ruby siren gem. I will drop this off at the ship real
He
quick.
has lost his heart. Ooh, ammo chest. Cool. Reloading. And you have nothing that I need. Come on, little cabin.
Love how we have little captain and trader.
And trader. It's all just food. Damn it. Okay, anyway. Well, right as you walk in, right? And it should actually be right there. 5? Nope. Somewhere around here. Wait, what is that? A skull. That's what that is.
Hmm.
There's that opening. Nope. 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 Sacagawea.
Okay.
So actually, yes, it should be, yeah, right there somewhere.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but
Hmm. There it is.
it was right here.
Right behind us. Cool. So there's that.
And that's the last one for that one, right?
There's a explosive up there.
Yeah, no. If we were better, yes,
Eventually.
absolutely. Right now, the only use it has in our favor is if we're being chased.
Self-destruction.
No, drop off the back of our ship.
So if they run into it, does that go? That sets it off
Yep.
too? Okay, cool. I didn't realize it was also proximity of a sort.
Oh yeah. Me and my friend, we store them up on the crow's nest. We'd grab, one each, and then we'd swim up to a ship we're planning on taking out that was bigger than us. Drop a few of those kegs around it. Then we'd go back to the ship and start fighting. When they go to chase us, pretty much anywhere they went, they ended up getting holes blown in
Start blowing everything to pieces.
them. Mm-hmm.
So the Shrine of the Ocean's Fortune,
Yes.
which is going to be Shrine of the Coral Tomb, the Treasury of Sunken Shores, Shrine of Flooded Embrace. Oh, we definitely need to head south. Like, Ancient Tears. Holy cow, where the heck is this place? Shrine of Tribute.
Good news is it's not that one.
Huh.
Oh, there it is. We
Stronghold.
need to go hard west. It's on the north side of the map.
Oh, okay.
Here, I'll show you where.
Secret Wild. Oh, I can do this, can I? Just take that map, that mark off.
And then left, 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 left.
Shrine of the Coral Tomb.
Somewhere here. Down, down. South, south, south.
Stronghold.
A little further.
Lost Ancients.
Oh, wait,
Tribute.
that's it. Next to Sailor's Knot Stronghold. Up left.
Oh, Shrine of Ocean's Fortune. Alright, cool. Fabulous. So then, yeah, hard
We need to
west, but
head
it is a little
west,
south.
southwest.
Yeah. What the hell are you? You've got a clam head.
Yeah, he came out with the Jack Sparrow content. I guess he's a creation from Jack's World.
Oh, it's
The
not a Davy
the
Jones.
yeah.
Cool. Alright. Well then, let us get on with the get on.
We're not anchored, so we can
And we
just
need to
start
spin
turning
away.
if you
Yep.
don't mind, and then I'll lower
Spin
sails.
away!
That does not bode
Sounds
well.
bad. Was that a storm?
I don't know, but it didn't sound good.
I don't know, it didn't. Alright, we'll hook to the left. It shouldn't be. There's a storm, like, in the direction we're
Oh,
heading, but...
we just left the area of the thing that was really bad.
Oh, that thing popped up while we were leaving?
Yep,
Sucker.
that's a scary boy.
Huh. Man, he was, like, right there, too. Free on the open sea. Oh, bam.
Yeah, we just overcorrect a little bit. What the hell, bird? Just chill. Alright,
Alright.
getting on the crow's nest.
Nice.
I had to.
Han. And we're gonna hook through these rocks here.
Oh, you're gonna run into one. You're turning too tight.
Ah, crap.
I thought you saw. I'll fix it.
Or not tight enough. I forget how fast we go when we, like, full sail like that.
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna be fine. The ship.
I mean,
Eh.
there's a ship that I once had. I think it was called Patchwork because it was more planks than it was wood. That thing at one point, I swear, didn't take holes anymore.
We'll hook back around. Cool.
Alright, we need to turn starboard.
Yeah, pretty significant. So let's go. Black sand atoll. Man, you ain't got nothing. We need one of those uh, grappling hook rowboats. Because I wouldn't
I
mind a
mean,
cannon one, but not a whole lot that can be done with that.
alright, right now
Oh,
I think we
excuse
need to
me.
be heading south-southwest and going along the south side of the island first. Or we can continue threading this needle. It's your call.
Nah, I think we'll be alright. I do need to do this, though. Pick you up a little bit. There we go. Yeah, we should be fine.
As long as we don't run into Old Faithful Island, if we keep going at this angle, we should, for the most part, run into what we're looking for.
Yeah.
So then it's just keeping it in the wind.
Yep. Cool. Get a little bit of an angle. We'll turn a veer away from these big old rocks. What's that? Looks like an outpost.
No, wrong one.
Hey, look,
Don't
Captain.
want that one.
Dang, I need to find me some shanties, don't I? Let's find some. Alright, cool. We're gonna do it.
Hold on.
There's a piranha mouth on your drum.
That's not a piranha mouth.
A shark face?
This is the drum that you get to summon the Megalodon.
No. No. What is wrong with you?
He's a pet.
A pet? He's a
Yeah.
monster. That is ridiculously loud. Oh, okay, cool. Then yeah, Alexander Nakarada is actually the one that allowed this, the world's most epic sea shanty to be used.
What?
I've got a sea shanty going and it says I can use it as long as I drop the credit where the credit is due.
Oh, nice.
Can you hear? How do I get you to hear it? I can do that on Discord, can't I?
I could probably unmute you in game and then you can voice it, I guess, if it's over your mic. You can send it in Discord, but
That's what I'm saying.
I'd have to balance it so it's not too loud. By the way, the song that you're supposed to play with, I think it was 7 other pirates, something like that. You guys all had to play this song at the same time. And that would summon Meg.
That's horrible. That's not okay. Damn. Oh well. I guess the only real way that I'd be able to do it would be to actually play it out loud.
Don't worry about
Yeah,
it.
you're good. I will
I can
do
watch
this,
your
though.
VOD and hear it.
I will do this, though. Just in case.
Flavored Air is great when watching an old friend.
There is the playlist I am playing.
Alright. Odds of it getting us in trouble?
It's royalty free. And it said
hey.
it opened saying as long as you you'll tell the or drop the credit, you know what I mean, you're good. So we gotta go a little more south here.
I have no idea where you dropped it.
It's in the Discord, the studio.
Oh, it's in the studio specifically?
Yeah, studio chat. Ooh, there's a storm up ahead too. Uh-huh.
All right. It says so long as you share the thing, it'll
What a
be chill.
doosk!
Or
Yeah, that's what it says. Doesn't mind. Alexander Nakarada doesn't mind as long as
Alexander
you drop
Nakarada.
the name and the title of the song. And the title of the song is The World's Most Epic Sea Shanty. So,
All right, you heard it. We're going to go ahead and play that now then.
so we're gonna do a little bit of bottom and weaving through all this, but
We'll be fine.
yeah. Ooh, stuff. Drop anchor.
Mm, cool.
Can you reach?
I don't think we can. Matter of fact, I don't even. Oh, there it is. We might be able to. Just a lot of bobbing.
The next one up is The Seven Seas by Alexander Nakarada. What? No. Want me to turn it some more? Or do you want to just
No,
take
we're
the...
good. Just looting the barrel.
Oh, okay.
Did you raise the sail entirely?
I believe so.
Okay.
Alright, give me a real quick second. Take a short break.
Are you there? Hello?
So this song is also by Alexander Nakarada. And it's called Pirates of the Quarantine.
Pirates of the Quarantine.
Yes, that is hilarious. Anyway, it is about. Oh man, we are like in the middle of a storm. It is about that time. Did you get all the stuff?
Yeah.
Right on. Let's get out of here.
Are we looking at cutting it a little close for King of the Castle?
I'm gonna drop a line to Gordon right now. See if he's. We gotta head south. Ah man, I don't know. Maybe we should bail. They are just hugging that
It's gonna
ocean's
be a minute
fortune.
before we can get back to a place to sell, so let's go ahead and sell things.
Okay. So the
We'll sell
closest
things, get
outpost is
home, and we'll be
actually
good.
like I think just behind us. Yeah.
Yep.
Well, there's also the
Dagger
North
Tooth
Star
Outpost.
Sea
We
Post,
just need to go northeast.
but I don't know if that works for that.
Yeah, no, it has it.
The North Star Sea Post or just Daggertooth Outpost?
Oh, no, Dagger Tooth.
Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. So yeah, so
Yeah,
what?
the sea post is
Northeast?
only good for selling meat and stuff.
Okay.
Right, sit
Oh.
on the wheel. I'll start doing this. We'll just need hard control on that wheel.
Oh right, I forgot. North,
Fighting that
east. Come on. Did we
that.
just hit something?
Yeah.
Oh, lightning hit us. We didn't hit nothing. But we're in the dead center of it too now. Ooh, that's another one. Oh, I've lost the compass in its entirety.
I'll guide you. Just give me a minute.
Yeah, you're good. I know we have to really kind of do a bit of an about face, so we still got some course correcting that we need to do. The moon rises in the east, sets in the west. The moon is over here. So let's go here. How long have we been at night is the real question.
Not very.
Okay, then
we
yeah.
need to go to the port. We're going too far starboard.
You got it.
I'll tell you when we've course corrected.
Ooh, that is the center of the storm again.
Yep. Well, what needs to be needs to be.
Mm-hmm. It is following us. Come on, baby. What's going on, Toxilord?
And we're straight ahead.
Cool. Gotta fight it. We're actually gonna be transitioning to King of the Castle right now, but we gotta sell our goodies here. Ooh, gosh.
That said,
Gotta navigate our way out
if
of
you
this
guys
friggin'
like
storm.
Sea of Thieves, we can try and do this a little more often.
Yeah, I actually have no problems with this because, like I said, it is. It's always something to do with them, and always something to deal with in here. Come on.
I'll try and get the sail so we get out of here faster.
It is following us. That is wild.
It happens.
It is also
Seems like
going
every time.
northeast. Huh. Alright, we're up. We're still headed the right way, though.
Touch more starboard.
Yeah, I just don't want to run into these rocks. Again.
I mean, I'm already on repair jobs. So.
Huh. Alright, we're making our way out of it. It's lessening a little bit. So let's fall down.
Oh
Just
yeah, we're now in control.
Cool.
Alright, touch more starboard. You should be able to see it now.
Beautiful. Oh, I think, yeah. That's what the little spine coming out of it.
No.
Just past that?
Let me tell you.
It should, I mean, it should be.
Back of port. Yeah, that's
Oh, that's the
Kraken
sea.
Watch Tower. It's to the starboard of that.
That's Kraken Watch?
Yep. We need to go east, northeast.
Hell yeah, we do. Get away! Alright. Threading that needle.
Of course, into the wind.
Ha! Alright. Oh, so this one is by Vadim Krakmal, and it is Journey to the Toucan Isle. Just so nobody wants to be a butthead to me. But we'll be over with this in a little bit. Ooh, we're gonna have to. We'll be alright.
Yeah, we'll make it.
We gotta kind of shook and jive in
On
this.
the other side of this little rock.
Little.
Yeah.
Tis a pebble. Damn.
Go ahead and hit a touch more port than you think you do.
You got it. Yeah, there's a big old tripping stone right there.
Just keep the thing straight, okay?
Give it a little hug. Got it? There we go.
Yep.
Cool. Hook.
Oh, fuck.
You're good. You're good.
Oh, shit.
We're good. Ooh.
Oh,
Gently
there we go.
gliding past.
We're-
Woo! We are working on it.
You did it. You did it.
Yay!
And it should be the island to our starboard.
Okay, just way out there.
Yep. Shouldn't be that far, though. We're, like, right next to it on the map.
Yeah,
Yep,
okay.
just to our starboard.
So we'll hook right.
Yeah,
It looks
we're
like the
close.
port over there, yeah. Or the actual dock. Are we still in the wind? Hell yeah, we
For the
are.
most part, but we can move
Damn.
the sails starboard to catch more.
Alright.
There we go. We're
Beautiful.
going to need to turn a little more port so we're getting closer to that dock. I'm actually going to raise this sail so we're not catching too much speed.
Cool. So that should get us to scuff right across where we need. Is that a dock?
Yes and no, it's the Sovereign's dock. We can still dock there if you'd like.
Oh, we'll slide into first here. I gotta drop a line too. So let me shoot a message to him real quick.
You know, it'd be cool if we could put our treasure into the cannons and fire it.
All right. So slow down a little bit more. Oh, we're coasting. Psh, we're good. I did not realize.
Just get us nice and close. Touch more port.
Yeah. Hook it on over. Hook it over. Hook it over.
Give us 2 inches of sail.
There we go.
Come on, we can make a perfect dock here.
Come on, man. I know. We got this. Come on, buddy. Just a little bit closer. Come on. And 1, 2, kick it. Cool.
Almost perfect.
You can make it. All right.
Oh. I missed the jump.
Oh, so did I. I caught the edge.
I don't feel bad anymore.
Cool. 2.
This gem should go anywhere, so where would you like faction up?
I'll give it to the gold hoarders.
Faction I don't think it'll work with is the Reaper.
What?
The
Take it
Reaper's
to an
faction
outpost.
doesn't work.
Are we not at an outpost?
Yes, we are.
I was gonna say, what the heck? I guess the Merchant Alliance was like, no, I didn't want your crap.
No, the Merchant Alliance won't buy that. I'll go ahead and sell this at the Merchant Alliance so you can get some rep with them.
Sounds good.
Like, actual treasure is gold hoarders, so golden cups, treasure chests, etc.
What?
The trader wants like the firework barrels, the powder kegs, that sort of thing.
Right.
The trade goods.
Crate of extraordinary minerals. Oh, you're such a turd.
I blame trader. He was right there.
I know. That's actually who I was talking to, whether it's true or not.
He deserves what he got.
Shot from a cannon. One could argue that because that happened first.
Nope. I saw him. He looked shifty. I named him trader.
The bird defies logic. All
That's
birds.
the thing. I bought him, and I'm like, oh, this is gonna be great.
Always.
And then I saw him in game, and I'm like, you're one shifty bastard, aren't you?
Oh gosh. I didn't even hit this. I didn't even hit the space bar that time.
Yeah.
Yay, jumping. It is fun. It can be
There's a
fun.
reason. Why is there no plank? Like, there should be a plank option.
Oh, a cup.
Yeah, that's the last piece of treasure, I believe.
Cool.
Unless we can fill this up, but I don't think we'll get it up with enough to sell.
All the fireworks.
Yeah.
So it wasn't 50 pieces. I think we only have like 12. You're in the way, mast. Oh
With
gosh.
16 pieces of fireworks out of 50.
Does it have to be full?
I don't know. I think it does, but all right.
Alright.
Sales are all up, right?
Yeah,
All right, we know the drill.
always. That's why we should have
After you
taken that
sold that,
friggin'. Where you at?
after you sell that,
Bam. Done.
we're going to drop the sales when I say, okay?
Coming back. Well, at least we made some kind of money.
Yeah, made a little bit. Better than nothing.
We do need to do this again, like dedicate a solid like time about it.
Well, the plan was 2 hours. With Sea of Thieves, you want at least 2 hours.
All right.
This time around, we had one.
Huh. Okay.
All right.
So
So
you're on
get
that one?
towards the sale.
You're on that one?
No, I'm gonna throw this down below.
Oh, okay.
Then I'm going to have you drop the sale. You should probably be on this sale up here.
Okay.
When you drop the sale, just hop off onto the island and begin playing.
Ready?
All right, drop it.
Already dropped.
Ah,
Oop. More. Oh, wait.
I've got the song.
This is also Alexander Nakarado.
Under
This is
big
Battle of
plane.
the Creek. So. And the last one was The Medieval Banquet by Silverman Sound. But we're done with you. Fare thee well, Rosethorn. You served us fine enough.
You can still see the fire licking up.
Yes. It's not sinking just yet, though. That's interesting.
Oh, for now. You know what we should have done? We should have positioned the sails in opposite directions.
It's gonna hit that island.
Yes, it is.
Ooh! Ah, you ought
Yeah,
to think now, huh,
not
buddy?
too pretty.
Where are you going? Hey, man, your smoke is in the way. I can't see my ship.
Yeah, it's low.
Yep.
It
There.
is
Uh,
low in the water.
oh.
One of the masts is already fallen over.
Uh,
And another island?
I think so. We actually might not see that one, though. Uh,
There
it
it
looks
is.
like it's it. Well, fare thee well, sweet, sweet brig. At least we took all your treasure off of you. Right
That was
on.
a good game.
Yeah.
Are we gonna run a short intermission and then hop on?
Pretty
Or
much.
is everyone ready?
Yeah, she's got to set up her whole shebang. So yeah, we'll take the second break real quick, and then or I'll take the second break real quick, and then we can do King of the Castle. What are you doing?
All right.
Cool. All right. Well, thanks for coming on in, Talks the Lord. We're just gonna take a quick intermission here, and we will get back to it for King of the Castle. So if you want to join, if you're still hanging out, still watching, if you want to join, exclamation point join, and then your pronouns. So either he, she, or they. So we're gonna
Yes.
jump out of this real quick
I'll
and
go ahead
take
and run
a.
that.
Okay, so I totally forgot. Doodknight's actually hosting the King of the Castle run, so we're going to see about actually trying to raid him, just in case we actually have people already. How is that? That looks pointless. So let's try it this way then. Let's hopefully catch up. No, want that. Go away. Good things, buddy. Studio. Manage stream. Raid channel. Sorry. Cool. Later. Because I know they're